Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to trim video in CapCut PC. So let's get started. If you want to trim a video in your CapCut PC, so to do that what you can do is just simply open up your CapCut application. After opening up your CapCut, now what you can do is just tap on create project. After tapping on create project, now you just have to tap on import and then select a project that you want to trim. So for example, I'll just select this project. After selecting it, just tap on open. After tapping on open, you can find your project over here. Now what you have to do is just simply drag it and drop it in your timeline. After doing that, just increase the size of your video in your timeline. And from here, if you want to trim this video, then what you can do is just simply select this option. So this is the split option, which you can split the video. So just tap on it and that will split a frame, and just head over to the next frame that you want to split, and then again tap on this option and that will again split it. Now to delete it, what you have to do is just tap on this option, which is delete, and that will delete the frame. So you don't constantly have to tap on these options. You can use shortcuts. So what you can do is just simply tap on B. So in your keyboard you will find a B key. What you have to do is just tap on it and that will split the video. So you can also find left split and right split over here. You can also select them to split a video. So to access left split you have to tap on Q, and for right split you have to tap on W. So this will trim the right side of your screen, and by tapping on W that will trim the left side of your video. So you can just simply select these options, use them, and then trim your video on CapCut. So that's it guys, this is how to trim video in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.